Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening the Bones Arcania tarot deck. I love the back of these cards. It reminds me of an old-fashioned poker deck. Like most of the decks that I have, this has a QR code, not an actual booklet. I'm really liking the art for these cards. I'm sure you are as well. If you love anything that's skeletons, this is definitely one you want to add to your collection or start your collection with this deck. I am really liking the touch of red in these pictures. It gives it a little bit more pop. With so much black, I think it needed some kind of pop. I would be lying if I said I love all the art in this deck, because there are some of these cards, they're just lacking the same technique as the other ones with the illustration. What do you think of this deck and the art? Okay, the heart with the 3 swords. I love that one. You know, I think my problem is that I'm craving just a really spooky tarot deck, and I haven't gotten it yet. We'll have to open more decks and see which ones I love the most, and then I'll do my top 5 at some point. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.